That's where we're going to go hunt. Right along the beach here. Surfers are out there. Oh, there's the seagulls. I guess that's seagulls out there. All right. Hey guys, we're about ready to go hunting. And it's Sunday
the 30th.
30th.
Yep, of January.
Yep. January 30th.
Yep.
We got like 17 inches of snow. I don't know how much they got here along the beach. Some places got 20 inches or so.
Yep.
A couple feet.
South of us got at least 2 feet.
Yeah, just south of us got 2 feet. They probably got about 17, 18 inches here.
Probably.
But we're ready to go.
No, I'm not yet. I'm still putting
Well,
my
we're
gear
just about
on.
ready to go.
It takes me a little longer to get into my waders.
But as long as the polar bears don't eat us, we should be good.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
No polar bear plunge here today.
no, so we'll see how we do with the snow blindness.
That's all.
And we'll see you later, guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Okay. We made it across the 3-4 feet of snow. We got a little cut here, which looks really good. That looks really good down low, so hopefully we'll get something. It looks pretty good. All right, let's go. I mean, it's not drastic cuts, but it looks good enough. God, he's got a signal down there, down at a nice little hole.
All right, folks, I hope you can hear me. I'm going to use my outside voice so that you can. I dug from that hole there. There you go. There's my hole. About 4 inches deep, something that was a -3, -6. And this is what I've got. I was originally trying to cherry pick some high tones, but then I figured, you know what? Because all of a sudden I got a quick chirp. Let's turn on iron. Here we go. All right, folks, so I'm in a ripple trough here, outflow to the ocean. There's Tim, but I'm on a 8, 9, 10 right here. I don't know if you can see. Hopefully you can see it. There we are. There's my VDI. 8, 9, 10, 11. It's on the deeper side, so let's find out what I get. Okay, I got roundness in the scoop here. There it is right there. I'm not quite sure. It feels like it might be petrified aluminum foil. That's what it looks like through my camera viewfinder also. Petrified aluminum foil. Okay, move on.
Okay, guys, first real signal is a 17-18. Let me get my glove back on. Right here. Okay, in the scoop. To 18. All right, just a space peanut. Let's keep going.
Dug up the 18, 17, and there we go. We got a really chewed up fishing lure. Look, its eye is missing. And there's the metallic stuff that's inside. And as I got closer to it, it switched down to a 6. So I was getting a little concerned. But dead fish bait.
All right, guys, I got a quarter signal here. 29:30. I drop my scoop. Yeah, it's down here pretty deep. Okay, I'll bring you guys back if I ever find it. Guys, I got that quarter out. It was way down there. looks like a 1989 quarter. Let's keep going. Okay, 23, 24, 25. Got it in the scoop. Water. All right, got a penny. 1980. Let's keep going. Got a little 14 to 17 in this little title pool here. I'm going to fill this out, see what we got. Now it's a 20, 1920. Or at least I thought I had it in the scoop. Okay, I guess it's small. Let's try one more time. Oh, I see it. Okay. It's bouncing around. Little rivet, guys. I hate rivets. Zickin'. All right, let's keep going.
All right, I'm on a new target. There we go. EDI 19. Let's find out what it is.
A nice piece of sea glass here. Looking pretty good. It's an older bottle, nice and thick. All right, let's keep hunting.
All right, I got a coin. It's a crunchy, looks like it might be Lincoln. Take a look closer at it later.
I don't know if you can see that right down there. Part of a lobster claw. And yes, we got plenty of lobsters in New Jersey. You know, they call them all Maine lobsters, but you know, a lot of lobsters at least surfed locally around here, even though they say Maine lobsters are actually from Jersey.
All right, folks, I am on a 789 in the wet sand. Oh, it dropped down to a 6. Sort of deep. Let's find out what it is. All right, that has got to be the lowest ringing pull tab I've ever dug. 6, 7, 8.
20 signal, just turned out to be a little piece of copper. I don't know if it's for one of those guns for housing. Shoots little rivets or nails.
All right, folks. Didn't show you the VDI because there were ladies walking past me, and they were on their phones, so I didn't want to record their conversation. But this is 789. It was, I don't know, it was deep, definitely. And I think it might be part of a zipper, but I gotta clean it out, and I don't really feel like getting everything wet to try to get that mess cleaned out from in between. So we'll take a look at it later.
All right, guys, another nickel. Just had other detectors go by. I didn't notice who it was. I probably do them, but. All right, guys. I just got a dime. Right there's the guy that was next that went by us. He left his hole there. And there's Kathy right there taking a signal.
Later, man.
Yeah, he's at the tide line, so.
Oh yeah, okay.
A lot of the older guys don't like to mess around at the tide line. Ooh, penny. Nice. 75, I think. 72. All right. I think that's what it says. Kathy's getting just a bunch of signals right around us here, so we can work this way in. Nice ways for a longboard. Another Rosie. I got a piece of copper again in there, and then I rechecked my hole. I got a dime, so. Okay, guys, I got a 29 signal here in the rocks here. It's a nice spot. We need to, go slow through this, so. Oh, there's my quarter. Yep. It's a Maryland quarter. All right, that's good. Just done a signal out there. It was bringing it up from 11. I kept losing it, bringing it back, losing it. Then it rang up 2, and I got it here. And it's a, it's marked 925. I guess it's gold-plated earring here, so I'm happy to get that. Nice to get a little piece of silver. All right, let's keep going, guys. I just got something cool here. I got a big shark's tooth. Really nice big one. You see the serrated edge on it. Fortunately, it's a little damaged up top, but still, that's nice, getting a big shark's tooth. Shark's tooth, hon.
Nice.
Yep.
All right, see my hole right there? Whoops, right by my coil, which I just dropped on the ground. Deep, well, not very deep, obviously, because I got it in one scoop. And it is, of course, another Lincoln. There we go. Okay, here I am right here. There's my coil. I'll move a little bit so you can see. In the sunshine, there you are. And there's my VDI. We're looking at about a 12. Let's find out what I get. Well, it's too bad I didn't have my iron on because it is a bottle cap.
Hey guys, how you doing? We're doing good. We were just on another hunt. And, ooh, let me show you what I got in the mail today.
We got mail.
Yeah, we got mail.
Yes, we did.
And la 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 la. This is from Clark's Cove Detecting. They sent us a little package.
Mm-hmm.
And inside it says, Tim and Kathy, hope all is well your way. Enclosed is your own Joe Bob stickers. Joe Bob rules. Hope you enjoy and keep warm. Your friends and Clover family, Robert and Melissa, Clark's Cove Detecting. So,
Yeah.
I got a Supreme Leader bumper sticker. And it's got tree poop on it. Tree poop. And I got a little sticker. Same thing. And a tree poop sticker. So they're a lot of fun, those guys.
Yes, they are.
Robert, Melissa, thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
And now we'll talk about a hunt.
Yes.
We went on a hunt.
We did. Sunday,
Yeah, Sunday
the 30th,
in the snow.
in the snow. It wasn't snowing, but
No,
there
no.
was.
Yeah, first chance we had.
Yes.
First chance we were willing to go out, but it was in the 20s, I'd say.
Mm-hmm.
It was in the 20s,
Yeah.
and it was 2-3 feet of snow on the ground. Depending on the drift. So
Yes,
Yep.
yes, but not in the tidal area. So.
no, tidal area was
Mhm. Clear.
nice, easy, clear and easy walking. So
Yeah, yeah.
and we got some things,
Yeah.
and we kind of ran short of time because we had to go visit our friend
Pick
Eric.
something up.
Yeah, we'll include this for another time, but the ultimate finds box. Well, we got ultimate other things, and we'll show this for another day. We're gonna put them together and
Yep.
blah blah blah.
Yep.
But guess what? Go see our friend Eric, and let's get to the board.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, guys have been sending the names in for our little treasure chest guy.
Yes.
And
yes.
I think maybe we'll put a poll together and have people poll or something.
All right.
We'll see.
Sounds good.
We'll see. We'll just decide ourselves and say that's the one.
Yeah.
So
exactly.
So that's it. I hope everybody's doing fine.
Yeah.
Let's show you the board.
Show you the board.
Guys, guess what? We lost a wrap up of our I don't know what day the hunt was.
Sunday.
Our Sunday hunt. Yep.
After the snowstorm.
But we got the rest of the video, and we got the one little section about the tree poop. So that's good.
Yes. Yes.
But somehow we deleted the one video somehow. I don't know. It happens.
Yeah.
So we're going to do a quick wrap up of, we're not going to show you the coins and stuff again because we did all that. We had a bunch of trash coins. We'll just show you good stuff.
Yeah.
Okay?
All right.
That's funny. So here we go. Kathy got this nice little hook. Pretty old. It looks pretty old, right, hon?
Yes, it does.
And then I got this gigantic great white shark tooth. You know, it's, I don't know how many millions of years old or whatever.
Yeah.
But
It's pretty old.
yep. But that's nice big tooth there. Happy to find out it was just sitting in the rocks. That's an old, from an old piece of bottle there. That's probably 1930s or earlier. And a nice beautiful piece of bottle. And then here is my find of the day. It's a silver earring marked 925, and I believe it's, you know, it's gold plated. So, so that was it. That was those finds. We just wanted to show you because we had lost the footage to this. So, and you would have seen all types of trash up here, and little doodads and pieces of wire, and you know, all our coins would have been out here someplace, you know. But instead, you get to see coconut pie, a wonderful drink that it is. So until next time. Oh boy, she's happy for her. We'll see you soon, guys. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.